Section 5. Unleashing the power of PPC advertising. Pay-per-click PPC advertising, often associated with platforms like Google Ads, allows businesses to reach their ideal customers through targeted ads displayed within search results and on websites. With precise audience targeting, budget control, and in-depth analytics, businesses can effectively manage their ad spend, ensuring maximum return on investment. PPC is a proven avenue to quickly generate leads and capitalize on immediate business opportunities. Section 6. Harnessing the strength of influencer marketing. In the ever-evolving landscape of digital marketing, influencer marketing has gained significant traction. By collaborating with social media influencers, brands can tap into the influencer's devoted followers, leveraging their credibility and broadening their reach. When a trusted influencer endorses a product or service, the audience is more inclined to consider it, leading to increased brand exposure and potential conversions. Section 7. Exploring data analytics and remarketing. The beauty of digital marketing lies within its measurability and data-driven decision-making. Analyzing various metrics such as website traffic, social media engagement, and conversion rates empowers marketers to refine their strategies continuously. Additionally, remarketing allows businesses to re-engage potential customers who have previously interacted with their brand, significantly increasing the odds of conversion. Conclusion. There you have it. View us a comprehensive glimpse into the captivating world of digital marketing. From search engine optimization and social media marketing to content creation and data analytics, this realm is one of innovation, strategy, and limitless possibilities. So, whether you are a business owner or a marketer, seize the power of digital marketing and elevate your brand in the digital realm. Outro. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our future videos. Now, go forth and unleash the potential of digital marketing. Until next time, happy marketing.